Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze here. So today we are going to talk about how you can get 500 backlinks in minutes. Okay, so I will start with some key words here that which you need to take note of when you look for backlinks or when you look for sites where you get your free backlinks. Okay, so first one is domain authority and domain ranking. The higher the domain authority or the domain ranking of a particular website, the more quality the backlink is. So when you want to get backlinks from websites, make sure that those websites have high domain authority or domain ranking. Okay, very important. Don't lose guard on that. Then also there's what you call do follow and don't follow websites. For do follow websites, those are the best websites you can also get backlinks from. So when you see the list of where you can get the backlinks in the website, always assign more priority to the ones that are do follow websites and also the ones that has a high number of increased domain authority or domain ranking. Okay, so earlier on in this channel, I've talked about how you can also get quality backlinks. Okay, I mentioned 6 websites. The link, you can see the link on the screen. So after this video, you can actually watch that. So, but today we are looking at websites, more than 20 websites where you could just go in, drop your article, and allow the website to do the work for you. Get you as much backlinks as possible. So these websites are easy and I'm going to show them to you right away. So what you have to do is get to hsupertools.com. Okay, when you get to hsupertools.com, you come under SEO, and under SEO go to backlinks lists. When you get to backlinks lists, it's loading up. Just give a few seconds. Okay, let's set it on 50 entries. So for this, you have forshare.com. You have this, like I mentioned earlier, look at do follow link type. These ones give you more quality backlinks compared to no follow link type. Actually, all of them give you backlinks, but in order of quality, do follow comes first before no follow. So I would suggest you put priority on the do follow links. Then also another important thing which I mentioned earlier is the domain ranking. You can see Forshare has 84. The higher the score, the higher the domain ranking or the domain authority. So Forshare, About Me, AdWish, Adland Pro, all these ones has higher domain rank. Academia, all these ones has higher domain authority compared to A to Z and the rest of it. So all you just have to do is get to this page, open up these websites. Open them up. And some of them will require you to sign in. You sign in. Some of them will just require you to drop the link to your article or to your blog post, whichever way. Proceed and do that. Then some of them will actually allow you to post your article, just like this A1 bookmarks. It allows you to post your article. Once you register, confirm your details, your email, and all that, and make sure that it's not coming from bots, from robots. So once they confirm all those things and you're good to go, you can start dropping your content, and people come to this website. Many persons come to this website to check out articles, and that way you get backlinks as fast as possible. Remember, you have lots and lots of links to choose from, and I would advise you put out your contents on these websites as much as possible and as fast as possible, and you see yourself getting lots and lots of backlinks within minutes. Okay, so that's the way to go about it. Some of these websites, like I mentioned earlier, you have to sign up, put your whole article with the link. Some of them you have to just put only the link. Okay, and that's all you need. I think there should be about 30 or 40 of them here, and there are lots and lots of them out there, but this is just, I found this and I felt it's going to benefit you, in the sense that you come here, you find all the websites you need to get backlinks immediately. Keep putting out your content there and keep getting those backlinks. Okay, and one good thing about this website, this supertools.com, is that they keep updating these lists. Okay, the list is being updated often. The links that are not working any longer or that are not good enough, all those links are being deleted, and new found websites that are good to get backlinks from are updated. So sometimes you come in here, you notice that a site you saw earlier is no longer there, and some other times you come around and you see that there are new sites. So make sure you have this at the back of your mind. Whenever you drop content, come in here, just as a rule of the thumb, push out your content through this means and get as much backlink as possible immediately. Then you can as well look up for other websites where you can push your content and get enough backlinks. And also I would keep, if I found more websites that are good and quality enough for backlinks, then I'll bring it to you right here and you benefit from it. So if you are still in this video and you've enjoyed this content, kindly like this video, subscribe and click the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I drop content like this on how to get backlinks, make money online, digital marketing, crypto, and the rest of it. So thank you so much for staying with me up to this moment, and have a great time.